You know, I always wondered if I would drink a potion of invisibility, will they still blow up if they don't see me anymore? Let's just test this. Why not? I'm invisible. Open the door. Okay, they will blow up. Do you want to become James Bond, a secret agent? Just drink this potion and you'll make yourself invisible. I mean, not almost. Let me drop my wings. Okay, now it's much better. And if you're not holding something in your hand, players can still see your particles. However, I will show you today in this episode, hey man, how to craft the potion of invisibility, the splash potion of invisibility, and the lingering potion of invisibility. All of them with different durations. And you'll need all these ingredients, which I have right here. Do not worry, it's not complicated at all. I will explain to you everything in just a moment. Where is my church? It is my church. Let me enter it, and I want to steal that. No villagers please while I am inside. Game mode survival, and we can start. I will show you from scratch how to make this potion in case somebody will need a specific recipe from this video. Just in case, fill 3 glass bottles with water. Oh goddammit, I left a potion here, and put the bottles of water right inside here. If you don't have a blaze rod, go get one from Nether and craft some blaze powder with it. Then you will need this as fuel. Now the nether wart is going to be the first one in this recipe. You will have to craft the alcohol potions because otherwise it will have no effect if you put the following ingredient right into. So nether wart is the first one. Now, do you see this carrot I have right here? Put it in the crafting table. Once you will have some golden nuggets into your inventory, just follow me, and the carrot right in the middle. You will need just one. As you have the augur potions, let's put the golden carrot right inside. Once the nether wart got its effect and it turned the bottles of water into augur potions. Oh god, let me put it right back into. And with this recipe, you'll craft the potions of night vision. And as we have them, we have to craft a fermented spider eye with some spider eye sugar and a brown mushroom. That will get you a fermented spider eye. This will go straight into the brewing stand. Let's see what will happen. Oh, I forgot I'm not into creative anymore. Also, you need to know how to craft the splash potions. Some people are for that into this tutorial, and the lingerings will be at the end of the video. The lingerings are just one ingredient away. Now we have the potions of invisibility, but they last for 3 minutes. As you see, 3 minutes, splash 3 minutes, lingering 45 seconds. Let's put a redstone inside. What a redstone does to a normal potion, well, it will just increase the duration of the basic duration of the potion. This one lasts 3 minutes, 3 minutes. You see, I add the redstone, I will have 8 minutes and 8 minutes. I hope this sounds very simple. I'm trying to make it as simple as possible. As I have the potions of invisibility which last 8 minutes, I'll just drop inside the gunpowder, and you can get your gunpowders from killing few creepers. Once you put the gunpowder inside, you will turn these potions into the splash potions. Great, they last for 8 minutes, exactly as this one. And now if you want to turn them into lingerings, I will just have to add the dragon breath right on top. And maybe you're wondering, from where can I get the dragon breath? Well, you will have to get to the end dimension and kill the ender dragon. I mean, not exactly killing the ender dragon, but when he will fire at you those fireballs, hit the ground, you know, you have an empty glass jar with you, and right click on the purple particles, you'll get yourself a nice dragon breath. And this is how to craft the potion of invisibility, the splash potion of invisibility, and the lingering potion of invisibility. I really hope this tutorial helped you out. Don't forget to smash the like button and have a wonderful day out there.